Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sync both smartwatch to Google Fit. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, you're going to download Google Fit from Play Store. After that, it's going to ask you for information. So you're going to put all of that and click on next. After that, you're going to go onto that app and click on your profile icon. And then you're going to click on settings. From there, you're going to click on manage connected apps. As you can see that there is not any app connected, so you're going to head back and you're going to click on manage fit data permission, and then you're going to put in all of this like into turned on. You're going to turn on all of them. After that, you're going to download the Boat Quest app from Google, and once you do, you're going to head over to the setting. After that, you're going to click on your setting and scroll down until you find Google Fit. You're going to click on Google Fit and then you're going to click on connect, and it will be successfully connected after you click on allow. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.